Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to set blank profile picture on Facebook. First of all, open a new browser and search here Facebook blank profile picture, and now click on images, and here you will get blank image to use your profile. Okay, I'm gonna download it from here. And now go back to your Facebook and click on profile, update profile picture, and click on upload photo, and from here select the blank photo, just download it. Here is mine, and now click on open, and after that you can drag to reposition the photo, so I'm putting it here, then click on save. And here we can see my profile picture is blank now. This is how we can set blank profile picture on Facebook. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. Have to 1 minute. Thank you.